Fixing You Back Pain Relief System Review. Are you suffering right now? Do you have chronic pain in your lower back that no one has been able to fix? Have you tried everything? Maybe you've been diagnosed with sciatica, a bulging disc, or degenerative discs. Or worse, maybe your doctors don't have a clue what is going on with your back. You're probably popping pain pills constantly just to get through the day. And I know it's affected every single part of your life. It makes sleeping difficult. It makes simple chores excruciating. Picking things up off the floor can be agony. Even putting your shoes on can be painful with chronic back pain. If so, I'm here to help. I have dedicated my life to helping people just like you relieve their pain in a few minutes. Yes, it usually takes a few minutes to start feeling better. Today, I am going to help you identify what's actually causing your pain with a couple simple tests. Give you simple, easy solutions to give you some relief within a matter of minutes. My system is designed to address dozens of different pain issues, including lower back pain, sciatica, degenerative discs, bulging discs. Introducing the Fixing You Back Pain Relief System. Enjoy their favorite sports again like golf, tennis, cycling and running. Bend over to tie their shoes, put on their socks, and dress themselves without pain. Play on the floor with their kids and grandkids again without that searing pain in their back. Even take up gardening, woodworking, or work on your old cars without worrying about what you'll feel like for a week afterward. I want anyone who suffers from chronic back pain and other pain in their body to be able to live pain-free. I truly believe the Fixing You will work for you as it has for so many of my patients. To get further information about Fixing You, visit the link below video.